Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to write contents into a file using Python. The open function opens a file and returns the corresponding file object, which exposes the file handling API, which includes various methods that can be used to write content into a file. The following modes support file writing. Modes W and X write from the beginning of the file. R plus, W plus, and X plus by default write from the beginning of the file. But by using the seek method, the file object can be moved to any position before writing. Seeking new location is primarily done to avoid overriding existing data or in cases when read operations are performed along with write operations. A and A plus also write new data, but that is only added at the end of the existing content. Let us now go ahead and learn about the two methods, write and writelines, which can be used to write new data into a file. The write method writes a string text into a file and returns the number of characters written. For example, let us open a file named out.txt in write mode and assign the file object to f. Now, assign a string hello, new line character thank you to s. To write the string s into the file, we will execute f.write s. The method returns the value 15, that is, the number of characters in the string. Now, execute f.close to close the file object. On opening out.txt using a text editor, the following content is displayed: hello and thank you in two separate lines. Moving on to the next method, the Writelines method writes a list of string into a file. This method does not add the line separator, which is the new line character, so it should be present at the end of each string. For example, let us open a file named out.txt in write mode and assign the file object to f. Let us now assign a list of strings hello world new line character and thank you new line character to the variable ls. To write the lines in file, we will execute f.writelines ls. Now, execute f.close to close the file object. When we open out.txt using a text editor, hello world and thank you can be seen in two separate lines. There is also an empty line at the end, which is added due to the new line character at the end of the string thank you.